Are you seeking answers to life's most pressing questions? Join us as we delve into the profound realm of prayers and find solutions for your health, relationship, career, and financial well being. In this enlightening presentation, we address the core techniques and principles of effective prayers, offering insights and guidance on how to manifest positive changes in every aspect of your life, namely health, your relationships, career, and money. So don't miss out on this transformative opportunity. Unlock the secrets of prayers and embrace a life of abundance. So watch now. Watch our video for valuable insights. I've simplified complex concepts with short, easy examples to enhance your understanding. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated. Don't forget to hit the like button. Join our WhatsApp group to learn meditation, healing, and manifestation with us. So, link is in the description box. Stay informed with timely updates and let's embark on this journey together. Today, just a small brief introduction about the law of attraction, that is manifestation, and Ho'oponopono in combination. How does it work? Uh, it seems like Ho'oponopono is a manifestation technique, but no, it's not. It's just a clearing technique. The law of attraction is based on the concept that the entire universe is made up of one energy. This we've learnt in school also. So everything we perceive, including our thoughts, words, any material things, living, non living, is a form of energy. Now, each energy has its own frequency, and when these two frequencies align, attraction occurs. So, by practicing Ho'oponopono and embracing the law of attraction, we can raise our frequency and align ourselves with our goals and desires. So, Ho'oponopono prayer involves using these four simple sentences: I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. These sentences generate positive vibrations, eliminating negativity and doubts from our mind. As a result, our thinking becomes more positive, our frequency increases, and our vibrations match with our goals, and so we can manifest our goals more effectively. I have gathered all common questions. I'm getting so many questions: how to do this, how is that. So I've gathered all common questions that I receive every day and compiled them for this video. So I aim to answer all of your questions. It's important to watch the entire video, so do not miss out on any valuable information. So watch it till the end. Now let's address the first common question. So what is that? Can we pray for others, and how? To understand this, we need to recognize that we are all interconnected on energy level. Despite our apparent differences, we are fundamentally the same. We all share a universal energy that unites us. So, yes, we can pray for others also because they are energy and even we are energy. Now, the second question: can we do it for any disease? Ho'oponopono can be used to heal disease by releasing the negative emotions that are associated with the disease that we create of pain, hurt, anger, all fear, all these emotions that we create. For example, if someone is suffering from cancer, they may be feeling like anger, fear, sadness. Ho'oponopono can help them to release these negative emotions and focus on healing. What is the third question? Can it be done for emotions and feelings? So, Ho'oponopono can be used to heal hurt emotions such as stress, anxiety, and depression. When we hold on to negative emotions, they can create a buildup of stress in our bodies. Ho'oponopono can help us to release these negative emotions and reduce stress. So, does it work on trauma? Ho'oponopono can be used to heal trauma such as abuse, neglect, and war. When we experience trauma, it can be very difficult to forgive ourselves and others. So, Ho'oponopono can help us to release the negative emotions associated with trauma and move on with our lives. How does it help in relationship problems? Ho'oponopono can be used to heal relationship problems such as conflict, anger, and resentment. When we hold on to negative emotions in our relationships, they can create a cycle of conflict. Ho'oponopono can help us to release these negative emotions and create more positive and loving relationships. Now, for exams, how do you do it for exams? Can it be done for exams? Yes, of course. If you're feeling stressed or anxious about your exams, Ho'oponopono can help you release these negative emotions and focus on your studies. So, mothers, listen, you can help your children feel less stressful and just release their stress about their exams. You can use Ho'oponopono to forgive yourself or for any past mistakes and to focus on your strength and your ability. So help your child and help them give us a stressless exam. So now for jobs, we are all concerned how to get a job. We are not getting a job, so how to do it for a job? Can we do it for a job? If you're having trouble finding a job, Ho'oponopono can help you release the negative emotions such as fear, doubt, and anger. Lack of confidence, you can use Ho'oponopono to forgive yourself for any past mistakes and to focus on your skills and qualifications. Debt. Can you use it for debt? Yes. If you're struggling with debts, Ho'oponopono can help you release all the negative emotions such as fear, shame, and guilt. So you can use Ho'oponopono to forgive yourself and any past mistakes of mishandling money or not being able to handle money and to focus on your plan to pay all your debts. Stocks, yes, this is interesting. If you're investing in stocks, Ho'oponopono can help you release negative emotions such as fear, greed, and impatience. You can use Ho'oponopono to forgive yourself for any past mistakes and to focus on your long-term investment goals. So Ho'oponopono is a very simple process that can be done by anyone. It involves only 4 steps. Acknowledge your part in the problem. That is the main basic step. I take 100% responsibility of this situation. It's not a guilt that you need to have. It is just accepting that yes, this problem is there in my life and I'm sorry for creating it. For creating the negative emotion, not to create the problem. Ask for forgiveness. Please forgive me. Forgive yourself and others and be grateful for the opportunity to heal. So, thank you and I love you. By repeating these steps, you can release negative energy and open yourself to healing. Now, let's address one more common question that is asked often. Should I speak only in English or can you use other languages in like Hindi, Tamil, or any other language in the world? Answer is that you can use any language that you think and speak in. What matters most is your emotion. Recognize your emotions and intention behind the words. Your positive emotions, coupled with taking 100% responsibility for every aspect of your life, form the foundation of this practice. So, feel free to use the language that feels most natural to you while following these principles. So, here are some additional tips for using Ho'oponopono. Be very specific. When you're using Ho'oponopono, it is important to be very specific about what you want to achieve. For example, if you're using Ho'oponopono to help you pass an exam, you might say something like, I'm sorry for all the times I have procrastinated or not studied enough. Please forgive me. Thank you for the opportunity to learn and grow. I love myself and I love my ability to learn. The second point is be positive. When you're using Ho'oponopono, it's important to focus on positive thoughts and emotions. For example, you might say something like, I'm grateful for the opportunity to learn and grow. I'm confident and I can pass this exam. And be patient. It takes time to see results for Ho'oponopono. Don't just get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Just keep focusing on your positive thoughts and emotions and keep repeating these 4 sentences. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. And eventually, you will see the results you want. And be willing to forgive. Ho'oponopono is all about forgiveness. If you are willing to forgive yourself and others, you will be able to release the negative emotions that are holding you back. and be consistent is the key. The most consistent you are, the more consistent you are with Ho'oponopono, the more effective it will be. So make a commitment to practice this technique on a regular basis, and you will start to see the results you want. And it's important to understand that we all are made of the same energy that exists in this universe. This concept is supported by scientific principles and is also found in various spiritual teachings. When we say we are praying or doing the prayer for ourselves, we are actually aligning ourselves with the universe. Whether we are speaking to ourselves, to others, to universe, to God, it doesn't really matter, because ultimately it's about connecting with the essence of existence. The prayer is means to bring harmony, healing, positive energy into our lives and the world around us. And when it comes to praying for negative emotions, it's important to recognize your responsibility for those emotions. Simply acknowledge and take 100% responsibility for the negative emotion. And say, I take 100% responsibility for this concern, fear, doubt, or this nervousness of mine. By apologizing for these negative emotions and expressing gratitude towards them, you can transform them into positive motivation. If you are new to this channel, let me introduce myself. I am Nirmala Agrawal, your companion in both happiness and sorrow. I am here to provide guidance and support on the path of healing, aiming to bring happiness, peace, good health, and prosperity into your lives. Our goal is to add value to your life through the teachings and practices shared on this channel. So, the purpose of this prayer is to clear the emotional obstacles that hinder us from reaching our goals. By addressing and releasing emotions such as worry, fear, anger, and frustration, we remove the traffic on the path towards success. We raise our frequency to the frequency of our goals and success. The prayer helps us to clear all these emotions and allowing us to focus and progress towards our desired targets more smoothly and quickly. So, hope you have got all the answers to all your questions, and if some are left, let me know by commenting below. Sometime again, I will make some another video in which I will compile the rest of your questions. And if you watch this video carefully, watch it completely, I think you can solve most of your problems, because the process is basically the same for all the problems. How did you like the video? You liked it or you liked it very much? Do tell my commenting, and if you find the video useful, then do share it with your friends and family. See you very soon with another such thoughtful video. Until then, keep practicing. Think good, speak good, keep doing good.